guys, I'm all done. Yes, I'm all done. Ndio naenda home. And this is my outfit. I'm all black. I don't know whether I should wear the pink shoes. But yeah. Hivyo ndivyo nakaa. I'm all black. Oh, did I show you? Yes. Yeah, so hivyo ndivyo nimeacha bed yangu. Let me just pick this and maybe this lip gloss and I'm good to go. Lakini nime make bed into hizo belt. Nilikuwa nataka kuvaa hiyo trouser but sina hiyo type. Nitakuja kuzirudisha jioni. So wacha mimi niende. Let me go. Sikuwa nimeweka. So guys, nimemaliza kupack. Ndio natoka na nimechelewa. Nilikuwa nafaa nikuwe hapa by 8. Na sasa ni 8 niko kwa hao. So gauni nilikuwa nimevaa denim ya black but nimechange to this white and also what I show you my outfit nakaa hivyo. Out there. Kasia. Watu viatu tangu hizo ndo nimevaa. So yeah. Wacha nitoke. I'm in a bit. Not really in a bit. I'm in a hurry. Let me go. Hey guys, nimetoka tu home side. Ndio nimetoka ku drop our kids. Nilikuwa nakaa hivi. I'm so tired. It's around 8 but ningefika mapema. So nimehave kupitia Padamat juu kuna some items I needed for my fridge. So ndio nimefika tu. Let me just wash my hands first and what to do next. Then wash it and then go kutoka nini Padamat. So sina vyombo mingi chafu, niko tu na kikombe sahani ya last night and by today's cup breakfast in the morning, nothing else. So hizi vyombo zingine ni safi. I just need to arrange them on my organizer. Let me just organize it. Vyombo mingi chafu. Hizi niliosha juzi. Okay. Glass really imagine. Can you imagine guys? Nafanya ndio glasses. Na nimetoka kwa daktari na sijakuwa na hata idea ya kuangalia hizo glasses ziko wapi. Nilikuwa nimejengile na one mission. I just want one thing. Na nimepata chenye nilikuwa natafuta. And I think that's the best thing to do. Kwenda tu kama unajua chenye unaenda kuchukua otherwise. Ukipata unajua the things you want. Kwa mpango. Sikia mwenye anasema. Yeah, maybe unafaa kwenda kununua tafuta. First, hizi ndo nimenunua kutoka Padamat. I needed this container to store my carrots and hohos and yeah, so that's everything. Hizi ndo zinakaa hivi. Zinaenda for how much? 510 each. I got 2 of them. They're so cute. Hapa chini wamesema ni multiple multiple storage box. And I really love it. The thing nimeipendea, kulikuwa na zingine, of course ziko design mingi. Ilikuwa glass also lid, but haikuwa airtight. But this one is kind of plastic also. It's airtight. Unaona? Yani inaingia tu vizuri. And also you can use it to something else. So I got two of them for my fridge. Nilisema for fridge shopping tutakuwa tunafanya tu pole pole. Unapata hizi vitu pole pole. So I also got this one. This one is for storing some, what do you call it? Pilipili. Unaweka tu pilipili. I got up nini, it's a plastic but it's so cute. So cute. Sijakuwa na mali ya kuweka pilipili. And what else did I buy? I bought this dental floss. Okay, bought dental floss. And also a Gillette. Yeah, that is it. Just a few things. A Gillette ilikuwa inaenda home for how much? I think 160. Yes, 160. Then shaver 60 bob and dental floss 30 bob. Yeah, that is it guys. Hizo ndo tu peke yake, hizo ndo vitu zilikuwa zimenipeleka huko. Zimenifanya niende huko and nimeenda direct to your place. Hata sija inaitwaje? I didn't try anything. So utaziona kesho nikizipack. Nikizieka kesho nafanya ile soko guys. I'm out of all my groceries. To make you believe that, ona nimenunua nyanya. Na niko na kitunguu moja. Nimenunua hizi nyanya mbili za kupika sapa yangu because I'm just alone. And yeah, nikanunua beef ya so yangu. I'm thinking of cooking. Chatuanisha sunya na kupika. So this is what I got from home. Okay. Inakaa hivyo. Jaribu kubalance ya. Anyway, nilikuwa nimeenda home. Kwetu hakuna avocado. So, on my way from home, nimepata na ova, nikasema ni buy because this house with avocados, they're so cute. Iko rafi, ile mauto iko ndani. Na kuna moja imeiva. So hiyo ndio sapa. They were going each for 20 bob each. I think sijui nitakula gani. Na akaniongeza moja. So nilitiki nichukua 20 nini ya 100 na akaniongeza moja. You see what I'm telling you guys? So easy to organize. So cute. Yeah. Everything I got on my way also, there's doma. Kwetu mama kunanga doma. Unless tununue. And education nilikuwa naenda soko. Acha ni promote watu wetu home. Acha ni promote watu wetu. Unajua hao mnakaribiwa na mtu kwenye nilinunua so. Hey, yeah, legit. Ndio kuna jamaa mwenye nanunulianga huko soko. Nakonga nazo. Hizi nitazifanyia aje? Si ni mingi. So nanunua hizo. Nitakuja na ndizi. Let me look for something. Nieke hapa. zenye nimetoka nazo from home. Hizo ndio zinakaa. Unaziona? This is it guys. Not much but you see how this multi-purpose container is doing. So yeah, that is it. Wacha nipike. Let me show you what I want to cook. What I want to cook for dinner. So I want to boil this beef. Chemsha nikanyama kadogo kangu with some. I've been having some. Oh, nimekuwa nimezifreeze for more than hope hazijaharibika. So nimekuwa nimefreeze hizi nini? Zaitangwa aje? Mbona nasahau tena? Makoloni hizi. Can see them? Nimezifroze hapa for more than 2 months. Which one month 3? I hope they're still in good condition. So nitakaanga hii beef alafu niziweke hizi. So nita defrost hizi kidogo from my microwave and niweke hizi chini.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me?
Nimechukua soda. So this is the meal. Hivyo ndivyo inakaa. It turned out so good. Can't wait. Let me just show you before even I sit. So sweet. Oh my God, I'm so sweet. I'm so hungry, guys. There's something else I wanted to tell you. This bag, as you have noticed, I have another bag. So I think sasa ndio nitakuwa na run errands nayo. See, I think ni him. Iko na beige, iko na brown, na iko na black. Kuna beige na kuna that nini za black. Nitaonyesha hapa card of hizo nini zinakaa. But I got this one because I'm an errand girl and I know this one will come so handy for me because black goes with everything. So in case you want to get this bag, I'm just going to leave a number here. You join the group. You just text that number on WhatsApp, tell her to join you on the group, and you are going to import your own things. Whenever you find something so good or something so unique, you can just send her a picture and tell her whether she can fetch that item for you. So you just, mimi nimekuja na plug leo. So you just WhatsApp her and she will add you on a WhatsApp group. I don't know whether I can be able to link the WhatsApp group here. Am I it is cool, but let me just give you the number and yeah, you can get bags. She imports so many things: shoes, kids clothes, house decor. So yeah, it's a lot of things. So I am happy to own this bag. So cute. It's a black, it has this carry board and nilikuwa na ushago hilo nimetumia nikienda nayo and iko na partition ndani. It's so cute. It's so cute. So guys, make sure you get one. Make sure you get one. So see you. Good night, guys. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, nimelala. Nime oversleep. Nafa niende soko. Aki 9:30. Sijui kama nitapata vitu mzuri, but I hope I will. Hata sijakunywa chai. So I just grabbed my chondo. You see? Niko mpaka na chondo ya nini? Ya mariditi. Nimetoka tu haraka. Let me just go and grab some things I don't have in the house. Muliona kwa previous video, kwa hiyo video sina hata kitunguu ama nyanya ama carrots, nothing. So let me go. Nimeamka a bit blocked. It's so cold. And yeah, at least I have a sweater because I know nitasikia joto nikirudi. So let me just go. Thanks guys, let's go. I hope maybe I'll take a little picture here and there, but I won't promise. Yeah, let me grab my shoes. Hey guys, so nimetoka soko and my freezer, that's how inakaa. Imegruise vitu sana. I need to clean it. Ni mingi sana, sina vitu, but najua nitachemsha vitu this week, today or tomorrow. And also I need, my fridge is a little bit empty. Nimezima stima kana kaa hivyo. Can see how empty it is. So nataka nioshe mpaka hizo vitu za fridge na kuna kaa hivi. So not much. Unaona venye nilikuwa naambia pilipili zinaikanga tu hivyo. So yeah, hiyo ndivyo inakaa. Even I know the image is not that much clear. So nimeifungua hivyo, ikaopen ndio imelt. Yes. My nails, I love it. They look so good. By the guys, these are my natural nails. They are my natural nails. So yeah, let me wash them quickly, then tutazipanga. I want to show you quickly what I bought from the market. I have 3 bags, but chenye yote niliweka hapo vitu najua zinaweza vujika. So first I need the fruits. I got the oranges, and also I got some of terere. Nimesahau jina yake in English. These fruits. I left it here. Is a budget. Kuna zingine huku chini. I got some fruits. Imagine hii yote ilikuwa 50 bob. Let me put it here. Another. This one will last at least 2 weeks, not 3 weeks. Another one. There. And also, I think I nimeongeza zingine hizi. So yeah, that is it. The first bag. The second bag. So guys, you know hii ni zenye ni freezer meals zenye nimetoa kwa freezer na gojea freezer ikauke na nizirudishe na fridge. So the next thing I got this biriganya. Actually haikuwa siku ya soko. I didn't get most of the thing the way I like it. So biriganya nilikuta hizo. I think this one was for how much? I think 30 bob. And so I was going each for 10 bob, so some budget. Put chair. Haya, kitunguu nilinunua ya majani 30 bob, around 30 bob. Some pilipili. What else? Chili, guys. This one we're going for 50 bob. Some carrots. 3 quite big because enough for 20 bob. So even if you don't pay hawapimi sijui na kilo nakwambia napima hivi. Which is okay. Also on my way back I found this some decorative pineapple. And really like pineapples, I love them so much. So I'm just going to peel it and cut it into pieces and put it on my fridge. I'll be grabbing just one piece. So the other thing I got is waru. I still have the ones I had last month. And yeah, kuna moja inanuka hapa. Yeah, I sensed it. Maybe imeharibika. Oh yeah, and some waru. Let me put them here. Hizo ni waru. Kuna ingine. Oh my god, I didn't get the best. Let me put it here. Okay, there you go. The other bag was this. I got some dania. Can you imagine, guys? They were selling 4 pieces at 10 bob. Really at 10 bob. That's a lot. That's a lot of dania. And also got some spinach. Yes, spinach. Some spinach. And also this, the rest is tomatoes. Let me look for a container. We are just going to put them. They were selling each at 10 bob. Can you see? Tatu kumi. No, not each. 3 for 10 bob. They are so nice. And it's a lot. Ni mingi sana. Sikuchukua zile. So this one goes for 150. This is a lot. This is a lot. 150. And they're all good. So yeah. Inakaa guys, so at least I got a kitunguu. The only thing sikuchukua ni hoho and some hoho na nini ingine. Kuna hoho sikuchukua hoho na kitunguu ile ingine, the hard one. So hiyo ndio nachukua, nitachukua tu huku juu sikupata, they were not the best thing nilikuwa napata. Na kitunguu ilikuwa tunasema kana December avocado, so I remember from the last night blog. Yeah. Hizo tu. So nangojea vitu za freezer yangu zikauke. Freezer ikauke nipack hizi. Let me show you guys how the avocado is looking like inside. Look how generous it is. Hiyo avocado nyingine unaoshaga. The skin is rough. Don't judge a book by its cover. Ndio ndio nasemanga. Look what is inside. The seed is so small. I have a very big surface. Ya kukula. So yeah. So that is it guys. Acha nizioshe haraka haraka. Alafu nitaonyesha nikimaliza kupaka. Right now my fridge is clean. Nimeosha freezer. It's safi and also my fridge area is clean. So nakojea hizo vitu zikauke ndio niziweke. Safi. So yeah. Alafu sasa nioshe utensils. Alafu nipaka hapa pole pole. Hizo zinakaa sio mingi but zitakuwa tu sawa. Nimeweka dogo carbonate, soda and vinegar, but sana sana natumia vinegar. This one I can still use but kadogo sidhani hata itamaliza kuosha hizo vitu. Actually tu yenyewe naosha and fruit and yeah, that is it. So that is the final look of my fridge. Nafaa ninunue mayai. Let me just do it from here. Nafaa ninunue mayai kanaka hivyo. Few things here and there. Nafaa hata ni change hiyo. Few things. So hapa chini tumepata kuweka avocado and some tomatoes. Ndizi hapa juu zimelipe, and also here it's a combination of carrots, briganya and gourgets. I think I'll go for 2 more. I love them, they are good for storage. Here is my mishori and oranges. Here is an avocado, and here's my pilipili. They look so good here. It's better here. And kitungu ile nitengeneza, and some dania. I don't like washing dania, wacha zikae tu hivyo na hiyo mchanga tu hivyo zikuwa dry, juu nikiweka maji zitaanza kuharibika. And I need to shop for milk. Yogurt hakuna, nimebaki hivyo. So yeah, that's how my simple fridge is looking like. For my freezer nimerearrange hivyo juu hapa ni beef, nimebakisha tu actually ni chicken, nimebaki half. Is a cream. I do keep my own cream. There's commanded there, and here there is some leftover food zenye sijakula ziko kwa freezer, and also there's this maize, these chamshanga za mukimo sijamaliza. So yeah, that's how it looks, simple and clean. So let me just close it. Yeah. two Kafagara flour ugali, and then the Velvex tissue. There's some, what do you call it, Pride multi-purpose liquid detergent. Star Soft, I got this one, 750 ml. Some Cortex for me, some Coke drinking soda, 2 packets of the Wati spaghetti. I even needed this one, Sufficient Nazuri bathing soap, some sort. That's it. What I needed most was these two, and this, and this, and this. Anyway, I needed everything. Hey guys, it's the following day. I'm stepping out to town to do some deliveries, and also there's a package I'm going to collect. I ordered online. Nitawaonyesha nikirudi. I'm so much excited about that because nitawaonyesha nikirudi. And yeah, something else I wanted to show you. That's how my face looks like. No makeup, just a Valon and sunscreen. That is it. And also have not laid my edges because I just want bazaar zikae tu hivyo for now. So can you remember I showed you this bag, this cartot bag? Can you remember it? I think it was during the night. Yeah, so guys, if you want to buy such a bag, Nili Import, there's a group, you just order, then they bring to you. Yeah, I will link the number again here. So this now is my Erad bag, and I love it. It's so cool. So yeah, let me head out. Nikirudi nitawaonyesha chenye nimeenda kuchukua. And by the way, for those who are ordering from my page, thank you so much. Page yangu inaitwa Ronjori Crosset, and also I have a group. If you want to join, you can join. I will leave the number here. And also mostly mostly active on TikTok. You can also follow me on TikTok. I'm Miss Faith, as here, or the same name in YouTube, the same name in Instagram, but in TikTok niko na Miss Faith also. So yeah, hivyo ndivyo iko. Nitazipanga hapa hivi video mjue. And also guys, can you admire my nails? They look so cute, and they are my natural nails. They are so short, they are cute. Nitazieleza aje because they are making my everything look so simple. I'm doing so much, and my nail are snake. Can you imagine? So yeah, let me head out. Yeah, this is my outfit. I'm wearing this brown sugar outfit, mini top. Ilikuwa ya Eastleigh, nilinunua kitambo by the way. I think 2020, still have it. And also my jeans. And also I'm going to wear the black sandals, the one nimeonyesha from the previous video. So yeah, let me head out.